Number 11. The end center is always inside the triangle. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Frequently. So the correct answer is letter A. The end center is the intersection of angle bisector and is always inside the triangle. Number 12. The circumcenter is always inside the triangle. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Frequently. The correct answer is letter B. The circumcenter is inside only for acute triangle. Number 13. The centroid is always inside the triangle. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Frequently. So the correct answer is letter A. Centroid, or the intersections of medians, is always inside the triangle. So number 14. The orthocenter is always inside the triangle. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Frequently. So the correct answer is letter B. So the orthocenter is inside only for acute triangles. Number 15. The orthocenter, centroid, and circumcenter are always collinear. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Frequently. The correct answer is letter A. True. So these 3 points lined on the Euler line. So they are always collinear for any triangle. Number 16. Which of the following is the factorization of the binomial x squared minus 4? A. The quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 2. B. The quantity of x minus 4 squared. C. X times the quantity of x plus 2x plus 2. D. The quantity of x minus 4 times the plus 4. So the correct answer is letter D. So x squared minus 4 is a difference of square. So x squared minus 4 is equals to x minus 2 times x plus 2. Number 17. Which of the following has the greatest value? 3 plus 3 squared plus 3 plus 3 squared. B. 3 to the power of 3. C. The quantity of 3 plus 3 squared squared. D. The quantity of 3 plus 3 plus 3 squared. So the correct answer is letter C. So that 3 plus 3 is that is equals to 6, and 6 squared that is equals to 36. So 36 squared that is equals to 1296. Number 18. The average of 5 different counting numbers is 20. What is the highest possible value that one of the highest possible value that one of the numbers can have? A. 20, B. 40, C. 30, D. 90. So let's solve. So the correct answer that is letter D. So the total sum is equals to 5 times 20, that is equals to 100. So to maximize one number and minimize the others, 1, 2, 3, 4, the smallest 4 is equals to 10. The highest number is equals to 100 minus 10, and that is equals to 90. So number 19. What is the missing term in the series 5, 20, 80, unknown 12,880, unknown 20,480? A. 5210, B. 4160, C. 35135, D. 320, 5,120. So the correct answer there is letter D. So each term is multiplied by 4. So diba 5 times 4 that is equals to 20, 3 times 4 that is equals to 80, and so on. Okay? In a certain school, the ratio of boys to girls is 5 is to 7. If the ratio are 180 boys and the girls in the school, how many boys are there? A. 105, B. 90, C. 45, D. 75. So the correct answer is letter D. So total part that is equals to 5 plus 7 that is equals to 12. So the value of one part that is equals to 180 divided by 12 that is equals to 15. So number of boys that is equals to 5 times 15 that is equals to 75.